We love the Pandora key number 7. But we want more games. And I'm gonna show you how to add. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I am going to show you how to add more games to the Pandora key number 7. So let's swap the box around and I'm going to show you how are the possibilities of using hardware. But before we're going to talk about how to make a storage space, let's talk about what kind of options do you have. The first one is a thumb drive, just a regular thumb drive. These things are pretty damn cheap, depending a little bit what kind of size you want. But I don't think this is a very good option because it's very clunky and you can hit it when moving the stick around. The second option is a little bit expensive, but I can recommend it. Just buy a little SanDisk. Pandora books are also using this because it's on the outside. You plug it in and it fits in perfectly. And the last option is that you can upgrade the internal storage because there is a way of adding this little CF card inside the mainboard. But yeah, you need to open it up, and if you want to swap out game a couple of times, I don't think it's very easy. So personally, what I'm thinking going to use is just use this thumb drive. Alright, let's talk about how to add and format and you know, all the magic stuff. Alright, now it's time to configure the storage space like it should be. If you don't do this right, the system will not recognize it. I think a lot of people already knew this. So the first thing we're going to add are some 3D games, and here it's going to get very tricky. The first thing we need to do is right mouse click, go to new folder, left mouse click on making a new folder. This one we're just going to call ROMs. We're going to open it. Here we create a new folder, but here is the tricky part. Every 3D game needs to be in a separate folder. So I'm going to make a new folder. We're going to call this game Wicked 3D. Create a folder, open it. I'm going to select the two files. In this case I'm using an ISO file and a movie file. This is an MP4 movie file with a resolution of 640 by 480. Not too big, otherwise it's going to look very ugly. Now we're going to go, we're now going back to the main folder or where we begin. And here we're going to add a new folder for the 2D games. Create a new folder again. 2D. Open this. Create another folder. Again a new folder. This one I'm going to call ROMs. Open it up. Put in here the zip file, in my case the Wicked 2D. Alright, if you configured the USB drive of the storage space that you're using in this way and plugging it in the system, if it's okay, it's saying refreshing game, refresh game done, and added the games to the list. And here in the 2D games we got the Wicked 2D. Let's go to the 3D games, and we have indeed 11. And here we have the Wicked 3D with my preview video that I've made. Alright people, that concludes a little bit of this video. I hope it helped a little bit and now you can add your own games. So I can make some new videos, for example how to create the PBP files, I'm saying it correctly, for the PlayStation 1. Or how to convert to the right format. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Maybe we can help each other out. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.